This is going to be a video tutorial on how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. I will be using the browser version on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser opened up now and I am on Google Sheets. To create a drop-down list in Google Sheets, the first thing you want to do is select the cell that you want to create the drop-down in. Say that I wanted to select this cell right here. I have my cell selected. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the Data tab, click on Data, and then you want to go down to where it says Data Validation. Click on Data Validation. That will open up a pane on the right-hand side of your screen. It says Data Validation Rules. You want to click on Add Rule. Now it tells you the cell in which you have selected is up here. This is the cell that you have selected. Down below that, your criteria, you want to make sure that is on drop-down. This is a drop-down list. You want to make sure it's on drop-down. And then down below that, you have options. Option 1, Option 2, you can put whatever you want in here. Green, you can change the color of that little tab. Say that I wanted to make it a green color. Option 2, I'm going to put red. You can put whatever you want on there. I'm going to change my color to a red color. And then you can add more options here. Add another item. I'm going to click on Add Another Item. I'm going to type in blue here. I'm going to change the color of that to a blue color. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to click on Done. Now, if I hover over that, if I click on my drop down, it gives you these options here. Red, green, blue. That's what I had put in there. That is how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.